Hey guys, Chef Redbeard here with Dherbs Kitchen for another holiday recipe. This is our raw pistachio cake. It's really fun. I had a fun time making this for you guys, so I'm going to show you some step-by-steps and some hacks to get you through this recipe. It's really simple. It's a blended cake. So we're going to start with, we have a food processor here and a little bullet ninja is going to help. One for the crust, the other for the actual filling of this recipe. So to start with the crust, this recipe, just to let you know, you're going to need to do it ahead of time. It's about 5 or 6 hours in the freezer. So keep in mind with that. Going to have some dried pistachios. Also calls for you to soak some pistachios, but for the crust, we're going to use dried. I have 2 cups of dried pistachios, raw. I'm going to add that right to our blender. Next, for a binder, I have 5 seeded, pitted dates. That means the seed was taken out. You don't want to use dates that have the seed in them. They're almost inedible. Your blender will do most of the work for this. I'm just going to help it go along. And to add some sweetness, we have some maple syrup. It's 1/3 cup. I'm just going to reserve the rest of this for our filling. And to add some more sweetness and some flavor and more of a binder, we have some coconut oil. Coconut oil sometimes can come solidified, or you can find a cooking coconut oil, which this is, that stays in a liquefied state until it is refrigerated or frozen. And that also is 1/3 cup. Put that in your blender cap and give it a whiz. Excellent. So the paste-like consistency, this is what we're looking for to make the crust. So I have a pan here. This is a 10 to 12 inch pan. You can use up to a 14-inch pan for this recipe. And here's a little trick for you. You can use a grease pan to cut it in, but you still may use like an angled spatula to get it out. Use parchment paper. You can fold it. You want to find the corner. Put the corner directly in the middle of your pan. You can use your fingers to kind of space and eyeball it. Then you want to make a crimp in the parchment paper over the ledge. So you have a crimped piece of paper here. And with your kitchen knife, just going to follow that around. Don't say I didn't give you anything. And you can open that paper up. I'm just going to give you a little lip. What this lip is going to help us do is to remove the cake if you don't have a spring-form pan to press from the bottom. So we're going to line it with this. Get that crust out with a spatula. You just want to work this mixture into those corners of your pan. Again, the parchment is sliding around because it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, giving us release. So now that we have this pistachio mixture spread across the bottom, you can put this in the freezer while we work on the filling. So in our larger blender for the filling, we have pistachios that have been soaking for about 2 hours. They can soak up to 4 hours. They don't need to soak overnight. And they've just been strained. We're going back with the residual 1/3 cup of coconut oil. The 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Some alcohol-free vanilla extract. Vanilla works really well with this. You can use orange extract or any other flavor that you think. Lavender will probably be good, but today we're just going to use vanilla. a pinch of salt. Desserts need salt too. And this is some almond milk that we made. There is a recipe for it. I'm gonna use about a half a cup of almond milk. You can go back and revisit the almond milk if it's not viscous enough. We're not looking for like a cheese or cheesecake consistency. This is a little loose. You want to be able to pour it into the springform pan. So I'm just going to give this a blend. Beautiful. Then from here, we're just going to pour it out. You can use your spatula. Make sure you want to scrape all those good bits out of the bottom. Beautiful. Just spread the cake mixture out evenly. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios just on the top for garnish before we set this in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours to refrigerate. So this is our cake prior to refrigeration or to freezing for 4 to 6 hours. So here's our final product. This is our raw pistachio cake. Just a quick note, the almond milk that was used in this recipe is a raw almond milk, and you can find that on our website. Make sure if you guys like this recipe to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon in the corner. For more recipes like this, you can follow us at www.dherbs.com/chef Redbeard. Enjoy.